commission loophole review. Well, that is what we are going to do in this particular video, guys. So this is nothing but it's a software which helps you to create squeeze pages, traffic. It gives you traffic training, and it helps you to create product and download those pages. So by which you can create simple squeeze pages by which people will be able to provide their email ID, and they can download product like digital product like ebooks or checklist. And when they download those product will be having your affiliate link by which you can create commission. So the main reason for this particular product or the agenda of this particular commission loophole is to create your email list. As you know, like the email list is something where uh, you can print money on your own terms, and that is what this commission loophole is going to help you. So it will give you all those elements, all those features wherein you can create email list effortlessly, and that will help you in your online business in the long run. So if you compare this particular product with any other product, like any other product which has a similar kind of functionality, suppose say ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is something which helps you to create squeeze pages, right? So if I go and like check ClickFunnels price, it is like $97 per month for a starter plan. Platinum plan is 297, and 2497 is for 2 club X, and platinum discount is 997 for 6 months. So these are huge prices which a newbie or even an established marketer would hesitate to pay this much of amount for a software which just create a squeeze page. So this commission loophole is going to be handy when you want to create squeeze page, you want to give traffic training, and you want to download, and you want to give a download pages. So there was it comes very handy at a very reasonable price, and that for a one-time payment. Well, I'll be giving you a detailed review of this commission loophole. But before that, I would like to tell you like what are the bonuses that I'm giving in case you are picking this product using my affiliate link, which is just down below this YouTube video. So the first bonus that I'm giving is a bang bang profit. So this is a in-depth training of how you can create a lot of affiliate commission. So this is the first bonus, and the second one is a commission blueprint. So this is a super affiliate blueprint that generated over 500,000 in 12 months. So this is a case study which you can follow, or which you can follow the same technique and strategies for your affiliate business, and you can create a lot of commission out of it. The third one is a bundle of digital products. So this includes your email train, like email marketing to affiliate marketing, to all the things or all the training that you require to create your digital business. That's what this particular uh, bonus will help you. And in fact, there are like 6 products altogether in this bundle, which generally I give as a bonus each separately, but this time I have bundled it. So this would be really helpful for you. And the third one is intro to affiliate marketing. So this is also a training. If you are a newbie and want to get into affiliate marketing, then what are the things that you need to look into it, and what are the things that you need to follow? That's what this training is going to help you. And apart from that, you are also getting the special vendor bonuses. So whatever bonuses the vendor is going to give you, I'll be passing to you as well. So all these bonuses are are available until this timer goes off. So these bonuses are time sensitive. So in case you want to pick up these bonuses along with commission loophole, make sure that you click any of this green button and pick this product. And once you pick this product using my affiliate link, all the bonuses would be available in this in your purchase section in Warrior Plus. If you go to access affiliate bonus, once you click on it, you'll be able to download all the bonuses that I have mentioned earlier. All right, guys. So this is what the bonuses that I'm offering, and now let us go ahead and see what exactly commission loophole is all about. Well, it is nothing but it seems to be a a software or a product which helps you to create squeeze pages by just a click of few buttons. Well, I have, let me just go and see what are the other things there. You can see it is only $17 one-time payment, but there is a like, in case if you want to leave this page somewhere, if you click the button, or if you want to go out of this page, it will give you a pop-up wherein you can get a discount of $4. So you are paying like $13, and moreover it is giving 180 days money back guarantee, so it's almost 6 months. So for $13, if you are using it 6 months, and even in the sixth month also, if you're not happy, you can always return it back if you're not getting the result. And this is a brand new system. You can see a lot of testimonial, a lot of uh, numbers are here, and a lot of proofs are here, and a lot of testimonials. So what are the step: purchase, enter, activate. So I think like there are a lot of information about this product which you can go through it. And now let us go ahead and see, let us go to the dashboard, and the dashboard looks like this, wherein you have dashboard, tutorial, your product, campaign, DFI product, bonus campaign, free traffic, upgrade, help. All right, so the first thing that you have to do is you have to go ahead and integrate your autoresponder. So click on integration, and it will have all the major email marketing software that you want to integrate. Even if you don't see that, you can use a SMT server of your email marketing and software, and you can start integrating with this. You can see Aweber, get response, active campaign, sendline, constant contact. So all the major marketing software are here. Then we can, then the second option is tutorial, where it will teach you step by step method how to use this particular commission loophole or dashboard, or in the dashboard, like how you can use it, what are the options that you need to click on it, and everything it will give you the tutorial. So this will help you to use this particular software in the best possible way. So you can see like how to integrate integration, and how to set up the DFI campaign, and make money, crypto offer, traffic after offer. So a lot of trainings are there. Now let us go to your product, and let us see uh, what are the options. Yes, so you can see like there are free traffic, how to make money, profit with crypto. These are the product. If you want, you can create your own product, and once that is done, you can review it and see how it looks like, and if there is any changes need to be done, you can make the change. It is generating the PDF, please be patient. So that's what the message is coming up. So yeah, here it is. So this is the PDF. You can see a beautiful PDF. So this is what you can send it to your customer or to your mailing list. And if you want, you can edit, you can download it, and then what happens is that once you go to edit, over here is the main thing that you have to do, that you can go ahead and like paste your affiliate link over there. So once they click on it, they will be going to that product using your affiliate link. So you get a commission from that. So it's loading. Yes, so product name, you can see product cover, checklist, call to action. So this is where, and call to action, then button, next the URL. So this is the URL wherein you go ahead and type or paste your affiliate link, and once that is done, they will be your affiliate link will be in that particular product, and once the user or the customer clicks on it, you'll be getting a commission on it, and once they buy it, you'll get a commission. And this is where the campaign comes up. So how to make money online campaign. So if you want to publish it, or you can add, you can create new campaign, and these are the DFI products, the done for you products already for you. So if you want, you can use them also, get marketing site hustle, and then the bonus campaigns are there, and then the bonus campaign also you can use 12-minute affiliate, and after that, if you want, you can upgrade it, and there is a bunch of how to get free traffic training. That is what is the free traffic training is going to give you, and it's all the techniques. You can see viral, a new jack, YouTube traffic machine, and the register affiliate traffic lab, T traffic lab. Click here for free training, traffic training is here. So a lot of trainings are there to get traffic to your affiliate pages. So it seems that all the elements that you need to generate affiliate commission are in this particular software. And anyways, as I said, like this cost you only $17, and if you try to leave the page, it'll give you a pop-up and you have to just pay $13 because it gives you a discount of $4. So just for $13 with a 6-month money back guarantee, I don't think you are losing anything over here. So if you are into affiliate marketing, or if you're planning to get into affiliate marketing, then give a try to this product and see how it perform, or how it helps you in your affiliate marketing business. And then that will definitely help you, or that will definitely make you a much more matured affiliate marketer going ahead. All right, guys. So this is what I wanted to give a detailed information about this particular software called Commission Loophole. And if you feel that this particular video was helpful and you got all the information that you require, then please go ahead and like and share this video. That will really motivate me. And thank you very much for watching till the end. Have a great day. Bye-bye.